Okie dokie, this is a little snack mix I came up with called Frisky Bullshit. And first we gotta mix the spice mix together. So you want to start off with 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Add to that 1 tablespoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Then, you want to add the other ingredients. This is 1 cup of oyster crackers, 1 cup of pretzels, 3 cups Parmesan goldfish, 3 cups cheddar extra goldfish, and 1 cup of Cheez-Its. After that, give it a toss, and once you find that's too difficult, just grab a spoon and give it a good stir. Okay, and after they're all mixed up, you want to have preheated the oven to 250 degrees. Then on a parchment-lined baking sheet, the parchment paper is optional, but it makes cleanup one whole hell of a lot easier. It's available right where you buy the aluminum foil, costs about $3. Stop being a fucking loser and get yourself some goddamn parchment paper and save yourself some fucking time. Anyway, you want to spread these out and then pop them in that 250 degree oven we were talking about and bake for 20 minutes. Okay, and through the magic of cooking show editing, the 20 minutes has elapsed, and all you gotta do is just put it in a big serving bowl. Perfect for holidays or parties or big games or whatever. Frisky Bullshit. Done.